Okay, let her grab your hat. Let her grab your hat.
She pushed me away.
Oh, try it again. Is that funny, Lundy? Is that funny? Careful of her head. Whoa, whoa, careful, honey. That was really fast. Be careful, really slow. There you go. Do you want to do the hat again?
No, I want to see people go peekaboo.
Why don't you do it with something less hard? Here, you can do it with PJs.
Peekaboo.
Okay, that's hard, honey. Slow, slow. Soft.
Yum, yum. Num, 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 num.
Okay, careful of her eyes.
Peekaboo.
Hey, I have a question, Ashby. Where are you? Do you like being a big sister?
Yeah.
Okay, soft, soft. Oh, soft, soft, soft.
You should put your PJs on and then I'll do it some more.
Okay. Okay.